Hi students, welcome to Learn from Bone Teacher. In this session, we are going to learn about fungal disease. And this is the part 10 video from the chapter Human Health and Disease. Fungal disease are commonly called ringworm disease. We have known that fungus are not worms. Then why such name is given? See this image. This is actually an infection of fungus on the skin. The infected area appears as a ring shape. That's why such diseases are called the ringworm disease. The disease causing fungi mainly belongs to three genera, and the genus include Microsporum, Trichophyton, and Epidermophyton. Fungal infection can occur at various parts of the body, but the infection is common in skin, hair, and nail because all these parts are rich with the keratin protein. Fungi mainly feed on keratin. Basically, fungi infection we get from soil. So the transmission is mainly from soil. But one person to another, it can be easily spread if they share towels, clothes, and combs of infected person. Move on to the main fungal diseases. The Microsporum genus causes the disease called the Tinea capitis. Trichophyton causes Tinea pedis, and Epidermophyton causes Tinea corporis. Let's see each disease in detail. First one, Tinea capitis. This disease, as I mentioned earlier, caused by Microsporum. It mainly infects the skin of scalp, eyebrows, and eyelashes. See more images. The affected area you can see as a circle. Severe hair loss in that area occurs. The next disease is Tinea pedis, caused by Trichophyton. This disease is commonly called as athlete's foot disease. The infection is mainly between the toes. It is commonly occurs in people whose feet have become very sweaty always, like our athletes. They used to wear tight shoes for a long time. It creates the presence of sweat or the moisture which enhances the fungal infection. And this is the reason it is also known as athlete's foot disease. See this image. You can see how badly the toes and the skin is affected. If it is left untreated, it spreads over the entire foot. The next disease is Tinea corporis, caused by Epidermophyton. And this is called the ringworm. The infection is common in arms and legs, but it may occur any part of the body. Severity of Tinea corporis you can realize by seeing these images. It should be treated in the earlier stage. Now, let's see the symptoms. The common symptoms of fungal disease includes the appearance of dry scaly or blisters like lesions on various parts of the body such as skin, nail and scalp. And it leads to intense itching or irritation in that area. So, students, this is all about fungal disease. Hope you like the video. Then please subscribe our channel and share with your friends. Thank you for watching.